Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily fill up your hunger bar on Bloxburg. Select interact on your fridge, view content. I already made a lot of foods here. I'm just going to get some, the most filling foods are like the burgers and like the pizzas as well. And the barbecue ribs too, so select take. Then I'm going to select place, interact, and then I'm going to select eat all. It's just faster if you take a portion and place it on the table and just eat all instead of pressing the eat button here many times. And that's how you can quickly fill up your hunger bar on Bloxburg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.